What's up, everybody? CEO back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing another upgrade. Growing up, transferring from middle school to high school, this is around the time everybody got their first vehicles. Some people they like to play basketball, but I fell in love with audio equipment. Me and my friends growing up, that's just one of the things we did. They would come over, install my speakers, show me how to do it. And so, with no further ado, let's get into the first audio upgrade on this channel of this vehicle. So stay tuned. All right, so a lot of people, there's a tool to take these off, but this is all we got right here. The mighty hammer of Thor. So we're just gonna stick this in here, try to get it around here, and just pull it straight out. If you pull it the wrong way, these won't come out as smooth and you won't be able to put them back in there. What's up, young lad? Yeah. What's up, young boy? Huh? Oh yeah. So this one just popped right off. I don't know if y'all can see me over here, but this one just popped off. It was right here, and looks like we need a star wrench. I don't know if I have any of those. All right, so this is what I found. I found one of these, and I'm gonna be using this. Put this on there. Sometimes you gotta improvise. Like I said in my other videos, all I have is hand tools. I've been having some of these for almost 10 years, So hopefully we can upgrade soon. But I don't know how many screws this takes. Should be a very simple install. My wife, she's starting to learn a lot. She was asking me about the wire harness. I had to have it. My last vehicle was a 2015. This one is a 2005, so it's like 10 years older. So this is probably just plug in the stereo. Plug in the. Forgot how to take these out. This has a bolt in it. I don't know if I have anything to fit that one. Probably some screws down here. But she was asking about the harness, so this one I don't believe needs a harness. Hopefully not. Anyway. Oh God. This is my smallest wrench set up. So we're gonna have to improvise once again. So this one, I just took the smallest bolt I had, put a flathead screwdriver in it, started turning, and it started working. To everybody out there that think you need a wide variety of set of tools, just use what you have built up over the years. Save those, keep up with them. Don't throw them away or lend them out, because you never know if you might need them one day. And don't steal nobody's tools either, because if you start stealing people's tools, your tools will start coming up missing. Karma will come back to you. Plus, you don't want that. If you're a good, honest person, you don't want that on your conscience. No way. So be honest with yourself. Be honest with others. So just for memory purposes, Here, Jace, come here. Never mind. Alright, so this is what we got back here. I disconnect that wire right there. Goes to this tweeter right here. And by looking at that tweeter, we might just need a harness. I think my wife was right. So we're gonna check it out, look further. Hold this door right here. So this is what we got right here. I don't see any screws in here. Maybe I'm overlooking them, but I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. Maybe this is some kind of clip. Just push that down, pull it through, pull it back. This weather stripping is getting in the way. Yeah, this thing is a dinosaur. I don't see no screws. How is this thing in here? There we go. That one was freaking hard. Yep. Needs a harness. Yep. Dadgummit. See. Now what I could do is strip these two wires right here and just wire the speakers together, but we not in the hood no more, so we just gonna go ahead and buy a harness.